Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a foreign country you would like to go to. You should say what country it is, what people can do in this country, and explain why you would like to go to this country.
One foreign country that I would like to go to is Japan. Japan is a beautiful country in East Asia with a rich culture and history. It is known for its vibrant cities, stunning landscapes, delicious food, and unique customs and traditions. They can visit the bustling city of Tokyo, known for its neon lights, shopping, and delicious street food. They can explore the ancient capital of Kyoto, home to beautiful temples, gardens, and historical landmarks. They can soak in hot springs, hike in the mountains, and ski in the winter. Japan is also known for its unique cultural experiences, such as attending a tea ceremony, learning how to make sushi, and participating in a traditional festival. The people of Japan are friendly and welcoming, and there is a sense of respect and appreciation for the customs and traditions of the country. I would like to go to Japan because I am fascinated by its culture and history. I have always been interested in learning more about the customs and traditions of different countries, and Japan offers a unique and immersive experience. I would love to explore the cities and countryside, try the food, and learn about the culture firsthand. Additionally, Japan is known for its technological innovations, and I would be interested in seeing how they have integrated technology into their daily lives. Overall, I believe that Japan offers a rich and rewarding travel experience, and it is a country that I would love to explore someday. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.